Life is short, but you're living like you have 1 billion years left. Here's the math. 30,000 days. That is your total inheritance at birth. If you're 30 right now, 11,000 of those days are gone, spent, never to be refunded. In the next 10 minutes, I'm not going to give you a to-do list. I'm going to give you a new operating system. Stop managing time. Start managing your soul.
Why do the years feel faster as you get older? It's not the clock, it's your routine. Your brain is an efficiency machine. When you do the same thing every day, same coffee, same commute, same emails, your brain stops recording. It deletes the boring files to save space. This is time blindness. You wake up at 20 and suddenly you're 40, wondering where the decades went. The fix? Micro-novelty. Drive a different way home. Eat with your non-dominant hand. Talk to a stranger. Force your brain to hit the record button. Make your life long again. You're busy, but are you effective?
Yes, on my way.
Most people spend 90% of their energy on things that don't matter. Don't believe me? Use the deathbed filter. When a stressor hits you, ask, will 90-year-old me care about this? That rude comment? No, I don't care. That delayed flight? No. That extra hour of overtime while your kid waits for you? Yes. Stop giving major attention to minor things. Do what matters the most. Time management is a lie. You can have all the time in the world, but if you have zero energy and just stand around doing unproductive things, you are useless. Think of your energy as a battery. Morning you is a genius. Evening you are an idiot. Stop trying to do genius work at 9 p.m. Sleep enough every day is one of the most important recurring currency in a person's lifetime. Protect your sleep like it's $1 billion investment, because it is. Overwhelmed? No longer feeling like the world is your oyster? Good. That means you're trying to do too much. Success isn't about doing 1,000 things. It's about doing one thing exceptionally well every single day. Pick your one. One habit, one project, one person to love better. Small hinges swing big doors.
Your phone is a slot machine. Every time you refresh your feed, you're gambling with your focus. You wouldn't let a stranger scream in your ear all day, so why do you let notifications dictate your mood? Silence the noise. If you don't own your attention, someone else will buy it from you for pennies.
Every yes to someone else is a no to yourself. We say yes to be liked. We say no to be free. Stop being a people pleaser and start being a purpose seeker. A polite no is the ultimate shield for your 30,000 days.
Modern life has killed the quiet moment. We are terrified of being alone with our thoughts. But brilliance is born in the boredom. When you sit in silence, your brain finally begins to solve the problems you've been running from. Stare at a wall for 10 minutes. Let the whispers of your intuition become a roar.
Look at your 5 closest friends. Are they anchors or are they sails?
You cannot live an epic life while surrounded by people who are comfortable being average. High performance is contagious. So is cynicism. Choose your tribe like your life depends on it. Because it does.
Most people aren't working for their dreams. They're working to impress people they don't even like. You're buying things you don't need with money you don't have to post photos for people you don't know.
Kill your ego before it kills your future. Be invisible until you're invincible.
You're drowning in information, but starving for wisdom. Reading 100 books is useless if you don't apply one page. Stop being a professional student and start being a brutal practitioner. 1 hour of doing is worth 10 hours of watching.
Your past is a ghost. Your future is a dream. All you have is the 24 hours in front of you. If you win the day, the years take care of themselves. Stop worrying about the mountain. Just look at your feet. Take the next right step.
Money doesn't buy happiness. It buys options. Most people get a raise and immediately buy a bigger cage, a bigger house, a faster car. Now they're trapped. Build a moat. Live below your means so you can say no to a toxic boss or a soul-sucking job. True wealth is the ability to wake up and say, I can do whatever I want today.
I promised you 10 minutes to a better you. We've covered the roadmap in 7, which leaves you with exactly 3 minutes of focused time. Don't close this tab yet. Use 2 minutes to pick one thing we discussed today and write it down. I will set the timer. After that, I will reveal one last tip that ensures that you will have the most beautiful day ahead, doing what you plan to do. All right, I hope you have jotted down what you will do today. Put your things down, close your eyes, and repeat this in your head. Today is a beautiful day. I will have a great day doing what I have set out to do. This is the new and better me. Repeat this for the next 10 minutes, and trust me, you are on the way to a better life. Time for me to go. I will see you in the next video.